Why does my Instagram say challenge required? Hey guys, in this video we're gonna learn about how to fix challenge required over on Instagram. So generally Instagram says error challenge required due to glitches in the app itself, weak internet connection, or using an outdated version of Instagram app, and in the last, corrupt Instagram app cache, or sometimes a down Instagram server. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store or App Store, anything you have, and over there search for Instagram. And if there is any update, try to update the application to its latest version so that you don't have any problem in it. Alright, so the second thing you have to do is to go to the Instagram app, hold it, and click on App Info. So it will switch you to the Instagram settings, and now go to story usage and click on clear cache so that all the corrupted cache memory will be cleared. Alright, so the third thing you have to do is to go to your device settings and go to your network and try to rejoin your network. Alright, so after doing all these things, most probably your Instagram will be fixed. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon, bye.